Welcome to this short video about Unifish. Unifish is your guide to higher education in London when you need a little bit more support, developed by Aim Higher London. Unifish is an accessible website resource for you to use to explore what disability and wellbeing support is available at London providers of higher education courses. We're going to take you through what is on the site and how to navigate it. There are two sections on top of the homepage: Browse Universities and Advice and Insights. Let's start by browsing some universities. We can filter what higher education providers we are interested in by area and type of support. We will see these icons later on each provider's pages. I'm going to click on By Type of Support and then Accessible Learning Spaces. We can now see a filtered page which shows all of the providers who have accessible learning spaces. Notice the icons we saw at the beginning. If they are coloured purple, they provide this type of support. Let's click on Brunel. Brunel has all of the types of support available we have highlighted in purple. As we scroll down the page, we can discover more detail about specific aspects of support you may want more information about. This is in the same format for each provider, so you can very easily compare and contrast. Click the subheadings on the left-hand side to jump down to a section you're interested in. The other section we have is Advice and Insights. This is a comprehensive section of growing content from universities who have taken part in the project, as well as Aim Higher London resources. There are lots of insights from undergraduate, postgraduate and prospective students who identify as a disabled student or neurodiverse or have a learning difficulty. Check back frequently for brand new content in this area and share it with your friends, colleagues and family. We hope you find the resource useful and thank you for watching.